Okay, number 7. Amy and Joe are asked to pick values for the numbers P, Q, and R so that the following is true for all A. So we've got an equation here, A to the power of P multiplied by A to the power of Q multiplied by A to the power of R is equal to A to the 12. So it's an indices related question. Part 1 of this, Amy picked 3 values that were all the same so that P equals Q equals R. Okay, so for this one, we're just going to use the property of A to the power of M by A to the power of N. Oops. Is equal to A to the power of M plus N. So if I have the same values across them, they're all going to be 4. Right, because I'm basically saying A to the power of 4 multiplied by A to the power of 4 multiplied by, A to the power of 4 again equals A to the power of 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals A to the power of 12. So your answers are 4 for those two, and that's using that rule, which is in the log tables. Joe picked values that were all different. 3 values. So again, we're talking about P, Q, and R. So write down possible values. So this is one possible way of getting up to A to the power of 12, as shown here. So they're asking you to pick another set of values. So you could pick any numbers you wish. So let's leave one of them as 4 here. As long as they add up to 12. So 4, 2, so that's 6. What have we got left? 6. So this would be A to the power of 4 multiplied by A to the power of 2 multiplied by A to the power of 6 is still going to equal 12. Again, using the rule above. So that's all we're doing there. Okay, so that's the answer for part 2. For the next part, okay, so find the value of M so that the following is true for all B in the rational numbers. So they give you a formula here with a fraction on one side of it. Okay, so we need to apply another rule here. We need to apply 2 rules, actually, 2 laws of indices, but one is the one we had above. The one we had above, so it's this one up here. I will rewrite it actually, sorry, I will rewrite it down below. So, so B to the power of M minus 2 is equal to B to the power of 10. So where am I getting that from? Well, that's that rule, A to the power of M multiplied by A to the power of N is equal to A to the power of M plus N. So here I'm taking the M and the minus 2 and putting them together, adding them together. Okay, so that's one law. The other law then is where you have A to the power of M all over A to the power of N is equal to A M minus N. Okay, so you're subtracting them. So that's for the piece underneath. So with that, then you're going to have B to the power of M minus 2 minus 1, because you've got this is basically B to the power of 1 here. Okay, so I'm subtracting 1 from that, is equal to B to the power of 10. Okay, so because the bases are the same, they're both B, I can take the index itself is equal to 10. So that's M minus 3 is equal to 10. Isolating for M, it's going to be 10 plus 3. So m is equal to 13. Okay, just type